Join me as I dive into the wild world of workplace safety and try to uncover what really happens when accidents occur on the job. Join me as I dive into the wild world of workplace safety and try to uncover what really happens when accidents occur on the job. Workplace safety is a critical issue that affects both employees and employers alike. As we go about our daily duties, it's easy to overlook the potential dangers that lurk in every corner of our workplaces. But the truth is, accidents can and do happen, and when they do, the consequences can be devastating. Accidents in the workplace can take many forms. From slips, trips, and falls to equipment malfunctions, chemical spills, and even violence, the risks are varied and ever-present. For workers, the consequences can be severe, ranging from minor injuries to permanent disability or even death. For employers, the impact can be just as severe, with accidents leading to lawsuits, fines, and reputational damage. In addition to the human toll, workplace accidents can also have a significant impact on productivity and profitability. When accidents occur, operations are often disrupted, and valuable time and resources are wasted on investigations, repairs, and recovery. Moreover, the loss of skilled workers can lead to a decline in quality and efficiency, further exacerbating the economic costs. Furthermore, workplace accidents can also have a profound impact on the mental health and well-being of employees. Survivors of accidents may experience anxiety, depression, and PTSD, while families of victims may struggle to cope with the loss of a loved one. Employers, too, may feel the weight of responsibility for their workers' safety, leading to increased stress and anxiety. In the United States alone, there were over 5,000 workplace fatalities in 2020, with many more injuries and illnesses going unreported. From construction sites to factories, offices to hospitals, no industry is immune to the risks of workplace accidents. And while some accidents may be unavoidable, many can be prevented with proper training, equipment, and safety protocols. Take, for example, the case of a warehouse worker who was crushed to death by a forklift in 2019. An investigation revealed that the employer had failed to provide adequate training, and that the worker was not wearing proper protective gear at the time of the accident. This tragedy highlights the importance of robust safety measures and the devastating consequences of neglecting them. Furthermore, statistics show that workplaces with strong safety cultures have a 60% lower rate of accidents and injuries. This is not just a moral imperative, it's a business imperative. Employers who prioritize safety reap the benefits of increased productivity, reduced turnover, and improved reputation. In fact, did you know that the construction industry alone loses an estimated $1.4 billion annually due to workplace accidents? This staggering figure underscores the scale of the problem and the urgent need for change. As we saw earlier, the causes of workplace accidents are varied and complex, but one thing is clear: the solution lies in proactive, preventative measures, not reactive ones. As we approach the end of this video, let's summarize the key points discussed. Workplace safety is a critical issue that affects us all, and accidents can have devastating consequences for workers, employers, and families. From real-life examples to statistics and case studies, the evidence is clear. Robust safety measures are not just a moral obligation, but a business imperative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on workplace safety in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, be sure to check out my other videos on related topics. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.